If you want to feel ecstatic every single day, then please continue to watch this video. Do you remember when you were a kid and you used to maintain a gullak or a piggy bank? Now most of you know gullak, some of you know piggy bank. Let me tell you what both of these things are. Now it is a kind of a storage box wherein the kids keep their little amount of money every single time when they are able to save it in order to be able to get something that they've been wanting to get, like a bicycle or a game, etc. But this time around you're gonna be getting something even bigger with the gullak that you will make. That's right, I'm asking you to make a gullak or a piggy bank of your own once again, even after you've grown up. This is something that can bring a lot of joy, a lot of happiness in your life. So here is what you are going to do. You're going to get a gullak, and every single day you have to make it a habit that you put in some amount of money. It could be from 1 rupee to 100 to 500 to 2000. The amount depends entirely on you. All you need to do is you need to do it every single day. So every time you put that XYZ amount, you have to understand that you have done something good for someone today itself. The help may not have reached the person immediately, but what you are doing is, while you're maintaining this gullak or piggy bank for someone else, you are coming one step closer towards something extremely good that could be added to their life just because of every single step you took for a few weeks or months. So when you feel that your gullak is completely full, you just break open it, carry all the money and give it to the cause that you started the gullak for. The joy of seeing all that money that you were able to save for someone else without adding any pressure to your own spendings is going to be something else. That feeling you will only get once you actually break that gullak. And then it's really going to go on another level when you are going to be giving that money to someone you think is in need. For those who have kids, you can try and incorporate this habit of paying forward to your kids as well, wherein you ask them to put in some amount in that gullak too, so they are also incorporating such a great habit from a very young age. Now amidst all these challenges, let's start a #Gullak challenge, wherein we make a chain of goodness amongst the entire community. Now you can go in for a terracotta gullak, which is readily available in the local market, or you can get any box that you may have in your home as well. I prefer the terracotta gullak because I feel that it is a great way to promote the local craftsmen. So I go for that. You can choose any one that you like. So what you have to do is just get one, send me a picture with the #Gullak challenge, and let's spread the love and positivity which is needed the most at this point of time. Be nicer and be kinder to them and to yourself. Share this with someone who you think can benefit from this. Thank you and Namaste.